Hey, what's good people? I'm Darius and today we're gonna be doing something special. I've been a Family Guy fan since like forever, and one of the most interesting and one of my most favorite characters has to be Quagmire.
Oh, giggity 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 goo!
Yes. That's why we're gonna draw a really cool Quagmire character alongside a very wild graffiti piece. Having said that, let's get to work.
Giggity giggity, giggity goo. Stick around.
It seems today that all you see is violence in movies and sex on TV.
But where are those good old-fashioned values on which we used to rely? Laugh and cry.
Everything better with Cool Whip.
We're gonna be here for a while.
Wait, what?
Ready for action?
Do you have the whip?
Got it right here. Wait, what?
It seems today that all you see is violence in movies and sex on TV.
But where are those good old-fashioned values on which we used to rely? Laugh and cry.
Hey, Dad, that's a Cool Whip.
We're gonna be here for a while.
Wait, what?
Ready for action?
Do you have the whip?
Got it right here. Wait, what?
It seems today that all you see is violence in movies and sex on TV.
But where are those good old-fashioned values on which we used to rely? Laugh and cry.
Everything better with Cool Whip.
We're gonna be here for a while.
Wait, what?
We're gonna be here for a while.
Wait, what?
Ready for action?
Do you have the whip?
Got it right here. Wait, what? Ready for action?
Do you have the whip?
Got it right here. Wait, what?
Today that all you see is violence in movies and sex on TV.
But where are those good old-fashioned values on which we used to rely?
better with two whips.
We're gonna be here for a while.
Wait, what?
Ready for action?
Do you have the whip?
Got it right here. Wait, what?
And there you have it, guys. My take on, I guess, how would Quagmire look if he was a graffiti writer? Why not? If you didn't take a good look at my final result, I have a printed version here that I can show you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, a thumbs up would be great. Please consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace!